Hey, what's up everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to do incline push-ups, also known as hand elevated push-ups. It is an upper body exercise that targets the chest and triceps, and it is great for people who maybe aren't quite ready for the standard push-up. Let's get to it. I'm starting with my hands just outside shoulder width. My fingers are pointed straight ahead, my core is tight, and my feet are together with my heels off the ground. I should be able to draw a straight line from my head, through my hips, down to my heels. I'm going to keep my elbows at around a 45-degree angle as I slowly lower down to the bench. I'm going to stop just as my chest is about to touch the bench and then return to my starting position to complete the rep. Let's look at some modifications that you may want to make, starting with the angle of the incline. The shallower the angle, the more difficult the exercise will be. So you may want to start with something higher than a bench, such as a counter, table, or even the back of the couch. As you get stronger, you can keep moving lower until you are on the floor doing a standard push-up. A tip if you are using the counter or something else slippery, you may want to wrap your thumb around so you don't lose your grip. Now I want to go over some mistakes that you should avoid. The first is flaring out your elbows too much. When the elbows are out at 90 degrees, it puts unnecessary stress on the shoulder. Next is not bending at the elbows enough. This might sound odd, but I have seen people do whatever they can to lower their body without actually extending at the shoulder and flexing at the elbow. They do this by shrugging the shoulders and dropping their hips down. But when you do this, you defeat the purpose of the exercise and also risk hurting your lower back. You also don't want to stick your butt up too high. If your heels are hitting the ground, you probably need to move your feet back and get your hips a little bit lower. If you want to see another upper body exercise for beginners, check out the seated row video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.